Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix JBL headphones not charging. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering why your headphones is not charging anymore. Well, in this case, there are a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your headphones is able to charge. Now, a few things that you can do here is to first make sure that the cord that you're using for charging is actually working. So if you have, like, for example, an extra cord out there or a charging cord, you could go and try using that and see if that actually charges your headset. Now, you might also want to borrow a wire one if you have, or a charger from your friend if you can, and see again if that actually solves your issue. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you also want to make sure that the plug itself, or in this case, your headset, is actually clean. Now, sometimes some debris or dirt can get into the ports of your headset, and that would actually prevent it from charging, or in this case, block the connecting sectors on your headset, which in this case, I would recommend you to first clean up your headset. So if you have, like, for example, this one, let's go open this one, and as you can see, there's going to be a plug that we can see here. So let's say there's a 3D model that we can view. So yeah, so make sure that the plug itself is pretty clean in here, and again, make sure it's pretty clean, because again, it actually blocks the port itself. This will not charge the device fully. Now, another thing that you could do here is to basically do a soft reset. Now, in order for you to do that, you need to look for the plus and minus button on your device. So in this case, usually it's going to be on one ear, or in this case, one section here. There's going to be the plus and minus buttons here. So also, as you can see, this is a clear photo of it. You have the plus and minus. So you want to go ahead and press those two buttons at the same time for 10 seconds and wait for it to restart. Now, once it's actually after 10 seconds, or after a few seconds here, it will actually restart itself, and you should be able to start using it again. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.